Hey guys, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. So today, this is a little bit different. Now, if you're an OG subscriber, or maybe you're a new guy that just has figured it out, my name is Peterbilt Mike, and I am a Peterbilt truck salesman who also happens to be a truck lover of cab overs, mostly cab overs. You know, I do like conventionals too. But anyways, today I wanted to show you destruction. Because I mean, let's face it, massive destruction is kind of entertaining. So I got my Peterbilt trucker vest on. I kind of digging it. You know what? Used to be too big for me, but I've filled out. So now I can wear my trucker vest. So that, it's cold outside. It's like minus 16 Celsius. You know what? I said winter would probably come in like a lion because we had such a nice fall, and it did. So anyways, let's go check it out. And I will show you what I'm talking about. We have an engine. Now, it came out of, what year is it? It's a Peterbilt 367. I believe it's a 2022 model year. Sold it like in 21 or whatever. Had a massive failure. And what happened was a fuel pump tappet stuck, or it didn't turn. It was supposed to roll, didn't roll. And well, she's a little noisy in here, so I'll speak up. So anyways, it was grinding on it and it wasn't rolling, and the debris went into cylinders 3, or the main bearings for 3 and 4. And I gotta show you this because it's pretty epic. We do a lot of engine work, a lot of Cummins work. So we've got a brand new X15, and look at that. Here's your piston. It's upside down. I can see through to the other side. The only thing holding this engine together right now is cylinder head. Check this out. Now that, my friends, is a massive failure. But it's cracked all the way there, it goes up into there. So yeah, we do a lot of work on engines, and it's kind of our specialty. So this customer's getting a brand new X15. It's 100% warranty. First time I've actually ever seen an X15 blow up. So and it literally blew up. Literally blew up. Okay, you can touch the piston and it's upside down. I don't think the piston's supposed to be upside down, but anyways, sometimes things happen. Look at that. Wow. So anyways, customer's getting a new engine, 100% warranty, and we're gonna make it right. Order it truck down. Engine should be here in less than a week, and yeah, it is what it is. So, and check this one out. It's a new one that I'm getting ready for Mala Transport. 367 high hood, and OMG, does it look good? Yeah, I love it. Just got to get it rigged out, throw some stuff on its back, and we're good to go. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's it for me. Just wanted to show you what massive destruction looks like. Take care, stay warm. We'll catch you in the next one.